Whoa! That was awesome. Steve here, Shen RC, and I'm with the Kyosho Doomsday Blizzard. I got it on 3S. We had a nice winter storm, as you could see. So I thought you guys might want to see this run on 3S. So let's let it rip. There she is, 3S. Whoa. Crazy. Oh, I'm stuck. Something interfered with the radio signal or something. It went like out of control. Alright, we're in business. Climbs right up. I can't go far. I don't have no good range because I have the antenna under the body, so I'm gonna have to stay close. Oh, fishtailing. I'm gonna try to get some close-up shots. Fishtailing like crazy. Jump here. Goes right up the hill. That's nice power. See if I can climb up this hill here. Oh yeah. Try that again. Got a nice steep hill here. Right up it. See if I can get a better shot of this. See if I can come down this hill. Awesome. See if I can get a few more close shots. The cloud just came and made this rough stuff. That'll be interesting. Nice. Woo. Oh. Whoa. That was awesome. Oh, nailed the tree, guys. You don't want to do that. Oh, the body's off. Let me fix her. Well, guys, that crash, because it's cold out, made the Velcro come off the body here. You can see it on here. I can't get the body on, so that's it for the blizzard, guys. If you like the video, leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Hit that bell for future videos so you don't miss nothing. And Shen RC, will see you next time.